I'm Elaine from Gorgeous Gardens, and today I want to show you a really quick and easy tip on how to remove weeds from your patio without the need for using any chemicals. As you can see, I've got a few pesky weeds here on my patio and I'm going to be zapping them, and I'll show you how now. So all we need is a freshly boiled kettle of water. So we're just going to pour the boiling water over the weeds. It's really important that we cover all the leaves because we want to take the boiling water down into the system of the plant, through the leaves and down into the root. So covering all the leaves. So it should only take a couple of days for the weeds to completely disappear from your patio. The leaves will initially turn black and then they'll shrivel up and then completely disappear. You might want to reapply the boiling water if you've got any particularly stubborn weeds, but it's a really easy and cheap way to keep your patio free of weeds without having to use any chemicals. So I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, please click on the subscribe button below.